Today's video is about transcription job that you can do from home. This is a freelance opportunity where you can expect an earning of around 0.8 to $1 per minute. Let's discuss about the job details. Ditto is a company that offers transcription services. Nowadays, transcription jobs have become very popular among freelancers, and people are earning thousands of dollars per month doing online transcription kind of jobs. And as a freelancer, you are free to set your own schedule, and you can work whenever you want. Here you will be getting guidelines by the clients. This is a US based company, and the company offers work from home freelance transcription jobs with opportunities to grow in US based businesses. And here, if you wish to work from home, you can join Ditto as a transcriptionist. So here, as a freelancer, you are flexible to set your own schedule, and you can work either on weekdays or weekends. It is up to you. You can set your own schedule. You can set your own working hours because this is a flexible opportunity. Here, the company has not asked for any kind of specific qualification or experience. The only important thing is that you should have a proper desktop and laptop, and and USB headset, microphone, and internet connection with you to start working as a transcriptionist from home or wherever you want. Here the company has mentioned that if you have a decent computer or a laptop that can run multiple programs simultaneously without crashing, then you are ready. Then you are already one step closer to the job. And the company recommends at least 8 GB of memory to accommodate the web-based transcription programs needed to complete your job. And your internet connection should be at least 10 Mbps, so you won't have any access problems to their tools and resources. And however, if you have faster internet connection, it would be great. Apart from this, you should have quality close back headphones, and high quality headphones are crucial when audio quality is low, or when multiple people are speaking over each other. The Spectra USB transcription headset is an excellent choice. This is something that company has mentioned. And you should have dual monitors. Though not essential, having two monitors has been proven to increase productivity in transcription. So it is not crucial. However, if you have dual monitors, it will be good. Foot pedal. A foot pedal allows you to control actions without using a mouse. For this one, the company recommends the Infinity USB digital foot pedal. And a mechanical high quality keyboard is essential in transcription, and your hands should rest comfortably on the keyboard, and your arms must be properly positioned for extended use. And software, in terms of software, transcription software helps make many computer tasks more efficient. So if you already have some transcription software, the software most commonly used by transcriptionists typically depends on the company, but the one that the company recommends is Express Scribble by NCH Software. As for browsers, Safari and Google Chrome are popular with many of the transcriptionists. So these were some of the requirements that the company has mentioned, and you can check out the details. Here the company offers you the opportunity to choose your industry. So if you already have some experience in the field of medical, legal, or law enforcement, or academics, financial, businesses, or any other industry, you can choose the project as per your industry. Here the company has mentioned that we also translate documents from English to Spanish, German, French, Italian, and other languages. So if you already have some experience or some knowledge in any other language apart from English, you are most welcome. You will be a preferred candidate, and you can work from home anytime. The company offers variable pay rates. So here the company has few different compensation options for their transcriptionists. The medical transcriptionists are almost all paid by the line, while their other transcriptionists like legal, law enforcement, academic, financial are almost all paid by the minute. So this is like they used to pay by the line. Like for medical transcriptionists, they used to pay by the lines, whereas for other transcriptionists, they used to pay by per minute. And the following, here are the pay rates that the company has mentioned. So it is like for legal and law enforcement, it is 0.8 to $1.1 per minute, whereas for academic, financial, general businesses, it is Also the same around 0.8 to $1.1 per minute, whereas for medical it is 0.07 to 0.1 per line. And there are some situations where you could be paid significantly higher because of the turnaround time. So it depends. If the project has smaller turnaround time, you may be getting like a higher pay. You may be getting higher pay rate. If you believe that you could be a good fit for the position of transcription and you are interested in the role of transcriptionist, you can check out the details, and here's the application form that you can fill up. Applicants will be required to take an initiation test. To pass, you need to get at least 95% of the questions correct over a few tests covering accuracy, speed, grammar, spelling, and creating a sample transcript for a single person narrative audio file and a multiple person interview. Once the company receives your results, they will be reviewing your application and give you a call to get started. And here's the application form that you can fill up. So go ahead and check out all the details, and if you believe that you could be a good fit for the position of transcriptionist, you can apply for the job. Thank you for listening.